Good morning students. You have already learned about number name in the previous class. In this class, you will learn about the numerals. In KG class, you have already learned about the numerals of 2 digits. In this class, we will do the numerals of 3 digits. Before that, let us revise the numerals of 2-digit number. Here, example is given 75. So, number is of 2 digit. Therefore, I will write TO here. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. Now, let us write this numeral. Here, 70 is given. 70 means 7 tens. So, I will write 7 in place of tens. And 5 is a single digit. So, I will write 5 in ones place. So, we are having number 75. Let us do one more example. 48. 40 is given here. 40 means 4 tens. So, I will write 4 in place of tens. Now, 8 is given here. So, I will write 8 in ones place. So, the number becomes 48. Now, let us do the numerals of 3-digit number. Now, I am having a number 124. 100 is given here. So, first of all, I will write HTO here. H stands for 100, T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So, here number is given 100. So, 100 is given here. So, I will write 1 in place of 100. Then 20 is given here. 20 means 2 tens. So, I will write 2 in place of 20 tens. Here 4 is given. Now, I will write 4 in place of ones. So, it becomes 124. Let us do one more example. Here 100 is given here. So, once again, I will write 1 in place of 100. Thereafter, 30 is given. Again, the meaning of 30 is 3 tens. So, I will write 3 in place of tens. Now, in ones place, I will write this single digit, that is 6. So, it becomes 136. Last example is there 159. How we will write this number? Again 100 is given here. Now I will write this one in place of 100. Next 50 is given. 50 means 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. In ones place, I will write 9. So, the number becomes 159. Now, I will give you one worksheet related to this topic and you all will follow all my instruction while doing this assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.